No, don't film me. Don't film me doing things. No.
What's up, man?
Censored.
I ain't about to say nothing.
I know, right?
No cut.
Alright, so we're doing a drive shaft and diff fluid. Can somebody please explain to me?
Diff or tranny?
I mean, tranny. Can somebody explain to me how does this happen on the Miata? Like, I did not know this was possible.
You know, I think that was a slide hoe. Like, no shit. That dude sliding here.
I wasn't gonna slide it, I was going straight. So represented the brand the other way. Went straight.
Hey, so Alex.
What's up?
So tell people exactly how do you do a tranny fluid swap.
So, there's 2 bolts. You got your fill plug. Always pull your fill plug first.
Why?
Otherwise, you're trapped. Because nobody wants to drive a dry transmission. And then you got your drain plug, which is over here. Apparently, we don't want to jack the car up more than like 4 inches. So.
Well, I mean,
That's how
you
we
know,
roll.
you know, the owner of the car is small, so you know.
Yeah.
Hey, is that a wire hanging?
Yeah, bro.
Right here.
That's my light.
Yeah. Something.
Oh,
Feelers, bro.
man, I'm so done.
Old school. Pretty sure that's yeah.
You know what? I'm actually pretty happy that you didn't give me your axles and stuff because it would never fit.
Why?
LSD and
Well, actually, one side would spin. Technically.
but
See, you can see all this.
depends.
It feels like if you squeeze it too hard, you'll feel it poking in.
No.
Can we get one of these? This will work. All this
Man, I haven't
is
vlogged in so long. Feels good vlogging you, actually.
right. You've been on the East Coast. No,
Yeah.
you haven't? Yeah, East Coast. I can't do directions.
Coast for like 1 in 3 people is flooding.
I know, right? And I call my right. I just lost my white card.
Hey, actually, I got some Coronas.
Oh, that sounds good.
You don't really drink, do you?
That sounds like one of those plants.
You drink Corona?
I'm off.
I'm done with you.
No, I do drink.
You want some Corona?
Yeah, sure.
I have a bit.
But everything underneath there, man, it's pretty clean. Like, for real.
I know, man.
Like, his car's clean underneath.
Like, honestly, man, like...
Mine, when I wipe mine out, it's about the same.
Man.
Looks like a lot. But that makes sense for this to bottom. Yeah.
So, basically... Quick rundown. We're replacing this drive shaft. And... swapping out his training fluid because after his drive shaft snapped, he had a crazy leak. So, wrong.
Try to get the content.
Yeah. Hey, well, you do happen to have a nice ass in the content, though. Hey, you know you got a hole in your pants, right?
I know. That's work pants, man.
What's that bumper from?
Which one? That one? That's for Alex. That's for Alex 240. He's gonna adopt that heavy bitch.
Doing a 240 as well?
Yeah, me and the other one. So, and then like the best part about it is like the fact that his 240 is here, so if mine ever break, I know where to get my parts from.
Lies.
Pull it right off.
But knowing him, he don't be like, hell nah.
Oh yeah, you got a KA? Oh man, that's man. I'm across the block.
Why don't you just get that hole?
He might have a K, but it don't mean our suspension too much different.
Oh, that's different.
It's weight. It's weight, man. What, that RB probably weighs, what, 100, 200 pounds?
Mm-hmm. Front end wise.
That's what I'm saying. So that front suspension's gonna be that much better. But I bet the center of gravity on the RB is better.
It's been a while since I had a Corona.
Because that engine's set back.
Alex, let me open yours up now.
Yeah, open it and pour it down the mouth.
I got you, man.
I got you, man. I got you.
Right?
Yeah, here, I'll do
These are like margaritas or something.
They're just for drinking.
No, it's just for drinking.
It makes my hands.
I mean,
You've never seen what I'm talking
Hey,
about.
my ass so big.
I see what you're talking about. But at the same time, like, it don't matter to me because you know I got this hardware.
You get drunk and it's great target practice.
Yeah, that's a good point. Smaller bottle.
Yeah, you know if you bring empties to the gun range,
Yeah.
they give you free.
Where?
Don't
Yeah,
go to
they'll
Hot
let you
Wells.
shoot it.
Hot Wells
Oh, hell
got
no,
closed,
don't go
didn't
Hot
it?
Wells, I'm
Do
sure they're
not
done.
go there.
I live near that, right? That's the. I live right next to that.
It's at 290 near like Barker almost.
The one at Westheimer near my house at Westheimer Highway 6. That's the one that got shot up.
Oh no, okay, never mind.
You know what I'm
They
talking
did get shut
Got
up.
shot
Yeah, they did get shut up.
about? Or no, it was an accidental misfire or some shit. I don't think
Hot
about it.
Wells had an accident.
Yeah, Hot Wells had an accident.
While someone was
Maybe-
cleaning a gun and it shot
Maybe
someone in the
I'm
head.
clean
in
Hot
the
Wells
parking
and I'm
lot.
crazy. Alright,
Yeah.
anyway.
Clean the gun, bro.
Well, it's clean to go with the bullet.
How do you explain that to
Fucking
cops?
idiot.
Oh, they did. You seen the report? You should read the report.
Shit.
They'd be like, oh, we're cleaning the gun, misfired, and yeah, the bullet traveled and hit the guy in the parking lot. Wait, you were cleaning the gun?
Exactly.
Well, you didn't check it? You didn't
Always
unload
open the action, dude. Always.
You didn't open it?
What the fuck are you thinking?
Yeah, he
Cleaning
left
the
the
gun.
Well, I only say that 'cause I've almost been
Exactly.
shot.
Should have been
Well, I got
shot
shot once
over
on
and
accident.
overseas.
Why was it
I almost got shot twice,
Yeah.
so I can't stand that shit.
And if it wasn't, why wasn't it taken?
Like, double check your shit. That's all you gotta do. Like, man, that dude was just, I don't know what it did.
Wild enough.
Pretty much.
God damn it. Alan,
Huh?
hold this motherfucker.
Oh, what?
You this motherfucker?
All about?
Yeah. I gotta weasel this shit over the control arm.
Damn, it's your fault. I'm over here on this shit.
You have the camera.
Oh fuck. It's probably scanned like me.
Can I get that too?
Actually,
Switch, bro.
damn, what the fuck? You got knee pads on?
What are you talking about? You good?
You should actually cut my damn knuckle.
He said, you trying to call me ashy?
Huh?
Said I'm ashy? Boy, just 'cause I'm black don't mean I'm ashy.
I mean, I get ashy too.
Alright, but you gotta clean
Yeah.
Miata.
Person in the world.
He lit.
It's just fucking cold.
Yeah.
It's dry out there.
Yeah, they like, this is so cheesy because all you do is fill it till it overflows.
That's how transmission fluid works.
Yeah, it's like, hey, mom, hey.
Well, you gotta fill it till it starts leaking out a little bit.
Yeah, you just fill it till it leaks
But
out.
like, especially when the Miata, it's like you never know.
Yep.
I mean, oil's kind of the same thing. It's like oil until it stops like shutting down.
Shit.
Oh, I was like, there's a towel in the drive. Oh, duh.
I'm done. I'm done.
I was like, oh, fuck. What happened? This PPF's all exposed.
Alright, so Alex, seeing how you speaking like PPF, right?
What's up?
I'm gonna quiz you.
Alright.
What does PPF stand for?
Hold on. I don't know.
I'll give you the first word. Power.
PPF. Power.
I'll give you the second one. Plant.
I don't know. Power plant frame.
Yep.
Okay.
He had no choice.
I had no choice there.
I'm about to figure it out. Hey, so
It's a Flanders.
for those that are trying to figure out how to put on the drive shaft,
I gotta refill it again. And then after this refill, I'm pretty sure you should get it.
it varies on.
It's just, the thing is, the bottle's not all the way empty.
Yeah.
It varies on
Can't get that
That's
bottle.
why you need 2 bottles worth.
whether you have LSD, automatic, manual. They're all different. And you gotta check the spline. This one looks better than yours. Why is it all greased up in the bottom? Hey man, he must have had a bad leak on the back. But just 4 bolts. It's easy. It's easy to swap.
Here, definitely fine. Looks super clean.
I don't know this clean Miata. Hey man, go ahead and tell this man to give me his wheels.
Cool.
I want to.
He says if I get 1,000 views, he gonna give me these wheels for free.
No, I want these wheels.
Ain't that right, Jamie? Yeah.
Huh?
Sure.
I done busted a nut. Hold on.
Oh man, sorry. Yeah. I know, right? See, that's what happens. Yeah.
Hey man, this is a good view, Alex.
It's called the male twerk.
The male twerk. I didn't know you twerk from.
It's called the twerk, son.
It's called POV.
I know, right?
Hey, so my Miata comes out tomorrow, buffed and everything.
And I'm on Brazen.
Huh? What you say?
I'm on Brazers.
Hey man, we're gonna have to work on your Miata next, Alex.
I know, it needs it. It needs it. I haven't been doing it in probably over a month.
I know.
I just go in the garage and start it.
Hey, after we get your Miata fixed, we're just gonna drop it off at the apartment so all the Miatas can be standing at the same time.
Word.
We gonna need a quick cement, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Extra.
And then especially when we get the 240s out too.
Now, alright, here, stop pumping. Just leave it. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. Make sure this isn't.
Your front bar.
Alright, so we just got done doing the drive shaft and the chain fluid. I would have showed y'all the video for the drive shaft, but honestly,
Pretty
it's common sense. All you do is just throw the shaft in the tranny and both the 4 bolts to diff.
You throw the shaft in the tranny.
And if you have a LSD, if you have a 1.6 and you have an LSD, how big is the shaft? About like what, 40 something centimeters or millimeters or inches.
Yeah,
And then if you have an open diff, just know your drive shaft's gonna be a smaller.
Go higher.
Oh, why couldn't you lift it this high when we were under the car?
Huh?
Why couldn't the car be this high when we were under the car?
Because he's a dick.
He's on 4'11", y'all like 6 foot, bro. Like watching Lord of the Rings.
Making me feel big, bro.
For real. Hey, you know, you look like a real country dude right now.
I'm not country at all. I'm just fucking working on bullshit and those are shitty clothes, so. I hope I'm not living country, man. Fuck that.
Hey man, he didn't mean that.
Big city. Wait,
Oh,
Hey man, you remember you're 80 and you're supposed to be able to never car chop that shit up.
damn.
well, we'll just lift it from here.
I'd be scared lifting it from there. You wanna why? Cause I was doing my old chain on my Miata.
He's tracking that up.
I was doing my old chain
But it
on
won't go
my
up though, that's the thing.
The reason why I'm scared on that side, cause like I did an old chain on my Miata, I was trying to bring this shit back down, bro.
Never seen the
I lifted it up on that side, the whole thing just fell off the
See,
jack,
that's
bro.
what
That should lift. What's wrong?
I was saying, to get that under.
Hey, yeah, lift it right
Oh,
there.
you're gonna have to lift it like here.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to move.
Here. Even if he doesn't move, you can just hold it right here. Yeah, it's like, oh, hey, what's up? No, what's up? I mean, listen, look, trust me.
What are you trying to do? What are you saying? You tell me I'm lifting this
Yeah,
bitch?
like, you gonna lift it
Why
from
is
there?
it so shivering here? Is that for rubbing? Is you put that on there for your
Or
rub?
that's 75%.
Come on, start lifting, man.
That's all.
Hey, it's a Miata, so we can lift it up, no
I'm
problem.
not lifting this.
I'm about to,
I'm serious.
I'm about to bring it down though.
Oh, you gonna bring it down and check it up?
See, this is why.
So we gonna put the jack under?
This is
Yeah.
why I wear this shit.
Why don't y'all do the back
Yeah,
first
it's fine.
and then?
You're good? Oh, you're keeping it on the jack stand. Okay. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. So I'm trying to
Hold
test
the quarter pound on that side. Alright, keep going.
You're good. You're good. That side's gonna sag. That's all.
Yeah, I lied. This is a bad idea.
Can a jack fit under? Anyway,
A jack stand?
from the back side going into the, just to hold the rear end.
Y'all should do. If y'all are gonna do all 4 corners, you should do back
This
to
is all
the front.
edited out. Alan,
We should-
Alan, this is all edited out.
Yeah,
This is all
This
edited.
was a test. Yeah,
Right
it's
here,
gonna be all
bye-bye.
edited.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. This is for us, like end of the year. Like remember we did this? Why this took so long? You know.
Hey, if you wonder where his Miata is,
I don't know where it is. I lost it.
here's his truck, but he does have a Miata, he just doesn't drive it. Oh, hey, so what are your thoughts on Raceland coilovers? Like your honest opinion.
So I bought them used. and they're trash. Don't buy them.
Like how bad? How trash is trash?
Trash.
Why? Like,
well, I don't know. I think one of them, the one that's why it's trash, is because I think the shock. I bought it, and I think one of the shocks is blown. I don't know, or maybe when we switched top hats and we put the OEM top hats on the basic ass Racelands, like something got built wrong or something. I don't know. So I don't know. Like maybe they're fine, and I got the bad.
Hey, question: are you planning on going track with your Miata or going show with your Miata?
Probably more track.
All right, that's a good thing because I have a surprise.
What?
It has to go off camera.
That should take as long. Yeah, I gotta grab mine.
Car's done. Hey man, so what kind of wheels you got?
Road or backward?
Otoro. Limited edition, baby.
Otoro backward.
Hey man, encourage this man to get an Instagram.
Get an Instagram.
Get an Instagram, bro. Shout you out.
Mazda gang. Mazda gang, Mazda gang, Mazda gang, Mazda gang, Mazda gang, Mazda gang, Mazda gang. Huh?
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross?
Yeah, that would be it.
Right?
You got change in your head.
Oh shit, I didn't know my change came out. Hey, just put it in my back pocket for me. Hey, just put it in my back pocket for me.
Oh, I got you, bro. One by one?
Yeah.
Oh, close to the buckle, you know what I'm saying? Good luck, you know what I'm saying?
You know I'm on my YouTube, right?
Hey, oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. What the hell? Oh, I thought you had two beanies.
Man, it ain't that cold.
Oh, up there it is. That's probably where you bought it. Wanna come in?
Hell yeah. Yeah, I'll let you get out. I'll let you get past this bump real quick.